How to make money online from e-commerce. There are several ways to make money online through e-commerce. Starting your own online store. You can create and sell your own products or become a reseller of other brands. Dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell products from a supplier who ships the products directly to your customers. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products from other businesses and earn a commission for each sale that results from your referral.
Sundays online. You can sell the products on popular online marketplaces such as Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. Online services. You can offer services such as design, writing, programming, and consulting through an e-commerce platform. An e-commerce business to sell products or services which you decide to build a website, create or use an existing social media platform for you and your business. Content marketing. Marketing through various channels such as paid advertising and need you. It is important to have a solid business plan, research your target audience and competition. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Promote the products you will sell on social media platforms such as if you want to share the videos you have created yourself, if you want to advertise to other social media phenomena. Advertising is the golden rule of this business. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and leave a comment.